Breaking news, Hurricane Melissa is now a dangerous Category 5 storm with winds at 160 miles an hour, and it's expected to make a direct strike on Jamaica.
What, you don't think the storm is coming?
Me old enough to know Gilbert.
What's the plan for the preparation for the storm?
Well, we're not prepared, to be honest. We're just waiting for the relevant authorities to bring some assistance to us.
This is a direct hit here. We'll get a whole heap of help. I know say me I MP. So you know what that means? Everything will come through my hand.
Mama, always a little bummer.
That's pretty. Blueberry, listen. Blueberry, listen.
Mama!
Some of them need to go home, man. Them place that mash up. And them something. Some of them just try and talk to some of them who can go home, go rebuild, man.
Nobody can go home.
We don't want it like him in charge, you know, because me I MP, you know. Imagine you're in charge here, and you have people here.
I'm doing the best that I can.
Yeah, but why you have to run and come call me? Why? Eh?
You are the government, we need the help.
So which boy you did a house when it fall down?
Yeah, I did a house and I say, you know, go stay and I have to kick off one part and come out.
What do you mean what happened to me? I go look for my house and the whole of my house gone.
So I can't ball on to?
We need a generator, we need a Starlink, we want food, we want water.
Yeah man, I want to volunteer and if I have a security worker or something because somebody can rob the thing and the truck that when I come in or something.
Alright guys, so as you can see behind me here is Miss Margaret's house.
I'm not really fight against people, you know, because no people want help, you know. But Margaret, a demon's that.
So you couldn't get more money if you buy more zinc, give me? Yeah.
Is what your donator sent in, Miss Margaret. There's nothing I can do about it.
I'm telling you, I think I did one good for you, man. 2 man would have killed me with tin mackerel.
Yeah, we help him, man, trust me. He's having a one back.
One truck a fall down from town and some care package in. But over the school it a go. I say, but from a boss and a type politician, I want to rob it, you see me?
I'm really see if I understand what you're trying to say, Abu. You want me thief is them off a truck?
Glad they get to me after them.
No, brother.